Good morning. It's Monday the 11th of April and just yesterday it started raining. We got our first decent lot of showers for the season, so I figured this morning I'd come up to the Perth Hills and check on the creeks to see if anything's flowing. And I'm just walking up to one of my favourite local little spots. I can hear the creek is flowing quite nicely already, so it's looking like a good morning to photograph some waterfalls. Not long after I arrived, I decided to get the camera out and I set it up right over the creek. It looks a little tedious, but I have confidence in the Surui W2204 tripod. Setting up over the water like this allows me to get a unique angle of the cascades. I use a wide angle lens and a slow shutter speed to help portray some depth and movement in the image. Well, that was definitely a nice way to start the week. It's good to see the creeks flowing again, and I haven't been getting up early and shooting very often lately, so I guess this was the motivation that I needed, and I'm looking forward to a lot more of this over the winter.